And this fence is open, and this fence is an invitation to our babies. And this boy was just sitting intrigued, trying to figure out what's going on down in this hole. So why would they leave the damn fence open again? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a tie wrap around it. I'm gonna tie wrap these entrances that are open. This is the contractors. All they gotta do is lock the damn fence up. Lock the damn fence up. So I really don't know what all is going on down in this hole, but I'm just trying to keep an eye on it as it's done. The process looks real crazy to me, so I don't know what the hell they're doing, but it needs to be done. This is water pipes that need to be shored up. They all go under the line. I'm just trying to make sure that this fence is relocked, so these kids can't come in here. As you can tell, this is where the kids was at. I just ran away from here. I'm gonna lock it back up. Again, this is the issue with this site. All you have to do is lift this up. And this was open when I came out this morning. I'm on my way to work, okay? So I'm gonna come back and close this because here it is again. Like I told you, these kids in this neighborhood, they're very smart. They'll figure it out. Whoever lifted that up had to come and really lifted it up, okay? So I'm just telling you that this site is... All right, look like the excavation has started. Today is Wednesday. I was told that they were going to be here on Wednesday. I don't know what they are going to do once they get down there, but I do know that it has started. There's a busy ditch, and whoever these folks are to get things up, taken care of. I will update as we go. Status. We'll update the status as we go. This is an updated ravine shot of what they've done so far. The guys was here. I don't know what they're doing. They keep stopping and starting and stopping and starting. So nobody knows exactly what the hell they're doing right here, but there go the water, pulling up again. Okay? All right, trying to check to make sure everything's secure.